The blaring of colony alarm systems pierced the air, signaling a catastrophe that would test the limits of human resilience. An asteroid had struck the main hydroponics bay, obliterating the colony's primary food source. Commander Chen's face was grim as she surveyed the wreckage, her mind racing to find a solution for the 500 souls now facing starvation within weeks. Dr. Rivera, the colony's chief scientist, worked feverishly to calculate their remaining food reserves. The numbers were dire. Their supplies would run out long before any rescue mission could reach them. The colony's fate hung in the balance, and time was their most precious and dwindling resource. As hope began to fade, a glimmer of possibility emerged from an unexpected quarter. An abandoned mining sector, long forgotten in the colony's expansion, held the potential for experimental farming. But accessing it would require dangerous EVA missions, risking the lives of their already depleted workforce. With no other choice, Commander Chen gave the order. Teams of engineers set out to scavenge materials from damaged ships, while colonists made the ultimate sacrifice, donating their personal water rations to jumpstart the irrigation systems. Every drop counted in this desperate bid for survival. As work on the makeshift farm began, new challenges arose. The colony's life support systems began to fail as power was diverted to the farming equipment. Oxygen levels plummeted, leaving colonists gasping for breath as they toiled to build their salvation. The first attempts at cultivation ended in heartbreak. Radiation from the asteroid impact had contaminated the soil, causing crops to wither and die before they could bear fruit. The very minerals that had nearly destroyed them now threatened to snuff out their last hope. But Dr. Rivera refused to give up. In a stroke of brilliance born of desperation, she turned to the alien environment for answers. Deep in the asteroid caves, she discovered spores unlike anything seen on Earth. Through sleepless nights and countless failures, she developed a radiation-resistant seed variant that just might survive in their harsh new reality. As Dr. Rivera worked her scientific magic, the rest of the colony raced against time to construct pressurized greenhouse domes. Equipment malfunctions and injuries plagued their efforts, but the shared goal of survival drove them forward. Each sealed dome represented another chance at life, another reason to keep fighting. Just as the first crops reached maturity, disaster struck again. The colony's final power cells began to fail, forcing an impossible choice: maintain life support or power the harvest equipment. Commander Chen knew that either decision could spell doom for her people. In a moment that would be remembered for generations, the colonists made their choice. They shut down life support, plunging the habitat into darkness and cold, and poured every last watt into the harvest machinery. For agonizing hours they worked in near darkness, breathing bottled air as they gathered their precious crop. As the last of the power drained away, they waited in terrified silence. Had they sacrificed everything for nothing? But then, as if by miracle, the first taste of their harvest passed their lips. It was enough to sustain them, enough to buy time for repairs, enough to ensure a future for their colony. The last harvest protocol had succeeded against all odds. From the brink of starvation, the colony had forged a new agricultural sector that would feed generations to come. As they rebuilt their shattered home, the colonists knew that they had not just survived. They had laid the foundation for a thriving future among the stars. In the years that followed, the story of the last harvest became legend. It was a testament to human ingenuity, to the unbreakable bonds forged in crisis, and to the enduring spirit that drives us to reach for the impossible. On that distant world beneath alien skies, humanity had once again proven that even in the darkest hour, hope can take root and flourish.